So what's up guys, we have here a 2007 Honda CRV. I'm going to do an oil change. So it's really hot today. I'm already sweating. So I was thinking, can I do a video on that? Nah, why not? So there's nothing really special about doing oil change, it's just a typical, just normal oil change you do for a car. But yeah, we're doing a video on that, so just stay tuned. So right, we already started the engine to warm it up. So alright, we're going to pull this dipstick and open the cup. This is the filler cup for the engine oil, just to let the positive pressure goes, and it will easily drain the oil, the old one. So right, so going underneath, so we have our drain pan here, and we're going to check this drain plug here. It's I think it's 17. All right, and our oil filter is this one here. I'll grab some socket. I'll just let the camera sit in here. Just want to make sure that the camera is picking it up. Yep. So I have our 17 socket here. Yes, you can see it's barely. Close it like that. And just be careful not to splash our camera like so. This engine holds 4.8 liters of oil, but we're not expecting to drain 4.8 liters because engine oil evaporates partially, as you can see. For me it's less. See, it's already almost finished draining. I just opened the drain plug. So as you can see, I've just used a ramp here instead of jacking the vehicle, just to lift the front to access the drain plug and the oil filter. So as you can see, the oil is drained already. It is just dripping. So we're going to replace the washer for the drain plug, and we're going to jack it back in like so. Yeah, just tie it snug. Yeah, don't torque it too much, because anyway there's a crash washer on it. It will seal. Then we're going to replace this filter. As you can see, I don't know if it's visible there, but it's the black one. So we're going to use our oil filter wrench and the socket and the ratchet extension as well. So yeah. Use our hand. Alright, we'll just drain the oil a little bit, just not to be messy. Alright, we'll check the oil filter. We'll just make sure that there is no rubber, the old rubber in there. Let's make sure that it's on the, yeah, it's on there, on the old filter. Otherwise we'll just, the oil will be leaking. So check the filter back in. Sorry, it's the new one, not the old one. Yeah, just tight it. Actually guys, you can just hand tie this one here, but you know, it's an odd spot. It's really awkward to have a good grip on that filter, so we're just using the oil filter wrench, but not too much tight. Yeah, just snag it. There's an o-ring, there's rubber to prevent the oil from leaking, so that'll be good. Now we're going to use the brake cleaner just to spray all this oil here. Like so, and then we're going to wipe it so that if there's some leak we can easily see it. Alright, let's go here, engine bay. So we're going to fill the oil now. And just put the filler cap there, and here is our funnel. Just put the camera over here. Like so. We're using this Castrol fully synthetic. It's a 530. It's meant to be for engine oil for petrol, diesel, and hybrid. So yeah. So like what I've said earlier, this engine holds 4.8 liters of oil. So this is 5 liters gallon, or this is 5 liters can. Just fill like 4 liters first, and then we will see. So as you can see, it's in here, so it's only 1 liter left. So we used 4 liter already. 4 liters. Fix the cup. Alright. So alright, we're going to start the engine. Fill the oil filter with oil. Start the second. Oh yeah. So it's blinking now. It's off. All right. So I have to check first whether the drain plug and oil filter is leaking. Source of the noise. So as you can see, the drain plug is not leaking. And the oil filter, so it's dry. Sorry for that. Yeah. So it's not leaking. Now we're going to turn off. All right. We need to reverse the car and remove it from the ramp there, so that it will become level. Otherwise we cannot get the correct measurement of the engine oil. So just drive it. Reverse it. This one. Turn the ignition off, and we're going to the engine bay. Right, open this cup, pull this dipstick out so that the oil will goes down easily. Put our camera here. Remove the funnel, screw back on. Alright, let us check the coolant as well, because they said just check the level. So as you can see, coolant is on the maximum. It's really hard to see actually, but as you can see there are two lines, the bottom and the top. So the bottom one is the maximum, so the bottom one is the minimum, and the top one, which is here, that's the maximum. And you can see that the coolant is on the maximum side, or is in the maximum, so coolant is good. I've just noticed that there is some oil leak from this this VVT here. Yeah, that's the VVT, or the for Honda it's a VTEC, so it's common for this oil leak. It's always leaking, so really needs a gasket for this VTEC to fix this oil leak. All right, close the bonnet. Sticker is in here. Yeah, so we're done. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one.